The E-2D Advanced Hawkeye, AHE, is the newest variant of the E-2 aircraft platform. It features a state-of-the-art radar with a 2-generation leap in capability and upgraded aircraft systems that will improve supportability and increase readiness. The E-2D continues the Navy's integrated war fighting legacy by providing broad area coverage resulting in broader range capabilities. With the E-2D's enhanced ability to work in the littoral and over land. Beyond the battle group, the Hawkeye's command and control capability makes it a multi-mission platform through its ability to coordinate concurrent missions that may arise during a single flight. The U.S. Navy strives to continuously implement improvements to aircraft. In FY 2020, the E-2D will achieve initial operational capability, IOC, with aerial refueling, AR, capability. With AR, the all-weather, carrier-based tactical battle management airborne early warning and command and control aircraft will be able to remain airborne to the limits of the aircrew and airframe endurance. Aerial refueling increases the range and persistence of the E-2D AHE. The eyes of the fleet will see further and wider, equipping the warfighter for ever-evolving threats.